Yay!
We are on our way to Western Springs College, Waiorea.
So yeah, they're manning their bin stations at lunchtime with our patakura gear, so yeah, I don't know, we're just kind of going to hang out with them.
Yeah, we're just going to go check up on them, see how they do. Pia and I used to go to Western Springs, we used to go Waiorea. I was in the Rūmaki unit and Pia was in mainstream. So it was kind of cool to go back to our school and see our juniors take on the school basically.
So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see you guys soon.
Give you some snapshots of what they're doing.
Yeah. Stay tuned. Okay, bye. This is so weird. So weird. Is it all good? Yeah. Get an action shot in there. Oh. Boom. Cut it out. Yeah. Boom. Boom. I'm proud. Nice. Thank you very much. Love it. Beautiful. Beautiful! Good job, guys. So I'm with these two very crack up rangatahi. So what is your reason for wanting to be on the bin stations?
So our reason is because a lot of kids don't know how to get rid of their waste properly, so we're trying to teach them a good way to get rid of their waste.
Me!
Teach them what cleaning is and what change up needs.
Can't get that.
Yo!
Bye!
Bye!